In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI Brain. Whether you're new to ClickUp or a regular user, learning how to leverage the AI Brain tool can dramatically improve your workflow, save time, and help you get the most out of your projects. This feature is designed to enhance your productivity by providing smart suggestions, generating ideas, and helping you think through tasks. So let's dive right in and explore how to make it work for you. The first step is to open your ClickUp Workspace. Once you've got it up, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the right details to access your account. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. After logging in, navigate to the specific project you want to work on. This step is important because selecting the right project ensures that the AI Brain's responses will be tailored to the context of your work. Having the correct project open allows you to get the most relevant and actionable insights for your tasks. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Right next to the search bar, you'll see the Ask AI button. This is your gateway to unlocking all the powerful features of the ClickUp Brain. Go ahead and click on it. A panel will slide out on the right-hand side of your screen, giving you access to the various tools available within the AI Brain. Once the panel opens, you'll see several categories displayed. These include Suggested, Featured, Search, Report, Think, and Create. Each category offers a unique set of tools and functionalities designed to tackle different aspects of your work. Take a moment to review these categories and think about which one aligns with your current task or question. When you've identified the category you want to explore, click on it. For instance, if you're looking for ideas or brainstorming assistance, the Think category might be the best fit. On the other hand, if you need help generating content, you might want to check out the Create category. Once you're inside a category, you'll have two options. You can either choose a specific tool from the list provided, or you can type your question directly into the input field. After you've entered your question or selected a tool, simply wait for the ClickUp Brain to process your request. It might take a moment, but the AI will analyze your input and generate results tailored to your needs. This is where the magic happens. Let the AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most. Once the results are ready, take some time to explore the output, review the suggestions, analyze the generated content, or evaluate the insights provided. Then apply them to your project as needed. Whether it's a new idea, a detailed report, or a creative draft, you can integrate the AI's assistance directly into your work. And don't stop there. To maximize your productivity and discover even more features, repeat this process with other categories or tools. The ClickUp AI Brain is packed with capabilities, so experimenting with different options will help you uncover its full potential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.